Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do face landmark detection using vision framework in Flutter iOS application. So here you can see I have one image and I was able to detect the eyes, the nose as well as the mouth, and I have drawn on that eyes, nose and mouth for this particular image. So this is one of the output. Also you will have to run this on a real device. You can't run it on a simulator, it won't work for you. I will show it for one more image. So I'll just so this is my image. I will show you the entire code in a bit. So basically what you will have to do is you will have to create a Flutter application. So here you can see I have created a Flutter application. I'll quickly show you guys the output first, and then I'll show you guys the code. So here you can see this is a different image and I was able to detect the eyes, the nose as well as the mouth. I will do it for one more image. I will just rerun my application. So here is my Flutter project, and basically inside my main.dart I have just refactored this home page widget. So it is a stateless widget. Here I have taken a scaffold, safe area, size box, width of 500 by 500, and this is our custom image view. Now we can't use the image view from Flutter, we will have to use the UI image view from iOS side. So here you can see for this particular image also I was able to do the same thing. Again going back to our code. So this is the custom widget which I have created. So you will have to create this custom widget, and it takes an identifier. So same identifier you will have to use it on native iOS side as well. Then I have taken a stateless widget over here. If platform is iOS, then we display this UI kit view. For all other platforms I'm just displaying a placeholder because I don't know how to do it for Android and web, because vision framework is specific for iOS only. So this is boilerplate code which you have to write. Then you will have to open the XC workspace of iOS inside Xcode. I have already done that. Firstly, inside the assets folder I have added few images, so you can add your own images. Once you add that, you will have to go to app delegate, and firstly you will have to copy paste this code. Now this is boilerplate code which you have to write. Important thing is you will have to use the same identifier which we have used it on the Flutter side, and this is a Swift file which I have created. So just create this particular Swift file, and again this is boilerplate code for embedding any kind of a native iOS view inside our Flutter application. So you can just copy paste it, and here you can see I have created another Swift file called my image view native view. So create this particular Swift file as well, and here I have imported UI kit as well as vision along with Flutter. So here we are creating our UI view. Then this is our UI image view, and this is UI image, like basically the image we are trying to display on our UI image view. So here we are overriding this method, initializing our UI view, initializing our image view, adding it to our parent view, setting some NS layout constraints. Then here I'm loading the image. So here you will have to change this to your own image name, and then we are assigning it to our image view. I'm checking the orientation of the image. Then we just use this VN detect face landmark request, and then we use this VN image request handler and perform our request on the face landmark request. So here again we are overriding this method to return our parent view. Here we do this handle face features, and we get the observation. So we loop over it and call this particular method. Now this particular method will draw all the eyes, nose and mouth on our image. Now even I have copy pasted this code from documentation, so I won't be able to explain it to you. So I'll simply scroll through this. You can copy paste it. So here as you can see I'm only doing it for left eye, right eye, nose, outer lips as well as inner lips, but you can do it for a lot more other things. So you can just check face landmarks and you can see all the things which are present inside it. And here we are drawing the final image on our image view. So here also I have one helper method to draw the landmark point, so you can just copy paste this particular method as well. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can do face landmark on an image using vision framework for Flutter iOS. Thank you for watching. Bye.